So as you know from year 10, the gradient of a line is equal to the rise divided by the run, rise over run. In this case, gradient equals rise over run equals 4 over 2 equals 2. What is a tangent to a curve? A tangent to the curve is a line which just touches the curve one point. In this case, at the point 1, 1. And you can see that it has a gradient here of 2 over 1 or 2. So this is my cat Sky behind me. Don't take too much notice of her. She just wants to learn some calculus. So what is the gradient of y equals x squared? Well, that depends on where you are on the graph. The gradient of a curve is defined as the gradient of the tangent to the curve at that point. For example, in the graph below, the gradient of the curve at the point 1, 1 is the gradient of the red line. Tangent is a line which just touches the curve, i.e. only intersects it at one point, in this case at 1, 1. As you can see, the gradient of the curve at 1, 1 equals rise over run equals 2. So here comes your first exercise. Exercise 1A. You need to look at the graph on the left-hand side and figure out the gradients of the tangents at various points. For example, question 1 says, what's the gradient at the point 0, 0? Okay, so work all those out, and when you've finished, turn to the next page to see how many you got right. So here are the answers to exercise 1. If you are not doing well with these answers, please review the chapter and do the exercise again before moving on.